Don't be anxious about anything. Rather, bring up all your requests to God and your prayers and petition, along with thanksgiving. Philippians 4:6. J'ai aussi écrit ça en français si tu lis pas en anglais. I also wrote it in French if you don't read in English. Tout c'est bon. Dieu vous bénisse. Elizabeth here. What's up? What's happening? What it is? You feel me? Wow. Okay, that's definitely out of my rhythm. But bonjour. Comment ça va? Today's video is going to be, as the title says, how I style my oversized clothes. If you've seen me on Instagram, or if you have me as a friend on Instagram, you know that I love baggy clothes. I love wearing boy clothes. I love, baggy jeans, oversized shirts, all that good stuff. Also, this video is sponsored by a company called Frumu. They sent me their pair of glasses. I gotta get it first, sis. They sent me a pair of their summer collection, and it came in this beautiful case. One thing I've noticed, that if you want a more stylish case like this, I'm very plain, so I like my stuff very plain. If you like a stylish case, they also offer like a, your own little standard type of case, but you do have to pay extra for that. I'm not going front, so you're better safe going $0 and get this plain case. You feel me? So yeah, it has a little card for exclusive offer, 50% off, share, and whenever you get it, you also receive this if you want to, pass it down to your friends. You feel me? And the glasses, I know some of y'all are like, okay, show the glasses. I'm gonna show you the glasses. Chill out. Look, it comes with a little, glasses wipe if you wanna wipe that down. Wipe me down. You feel me? And the glasses that I picked out was these beautiful glasses. I love these glasses. So yeah, I ordered them in this color this time around, only because I wanted it to be different. I wear these glasses. People think I wear prescription, but I don't. I just like to look good. It's called fashion statement, right? Right? Okay then. So yeah, Frumu do offer, I think you get half off if you are a first-time shopper. So instead of getting your glasses for full price, you might get it down to probably like $4.50. That's a good price for a pair of glasses. If you are kind of, skeptical about how the glasses will fit your face, you could also put your face, your little picture, on the website, and you can try the glasses on your face, which is kind of cool. If you ask me, it's kind of cool. Let's get into this video. You will see me pair these glasses up. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, thumbs up, share. We were trying to spread the word about this channel. Spread the word and share. Share for me, sis. I was trying to, you know what? Let's just get into this video, okay? So for outfit number 2, my outfit was kind of like, that Gabe Union pants that you guys see me wear in my photos. And then I folded the sleeves. Something about folding your sleeves in a plain t-shirt or on a plain t-shirt is poppin'. So I added that outfit right there with some Fila's because I wanted Yeezys, but then Kanye kind of messed up, so I said Fila's it is. So yeah, so I got my white leg pants that I got from New York & Company Gabe Union collection. Paired them up with my Fila's, and if you want to, you don't have to, but I sometimes like to add a jean vest jacket. I don't know where this idea came from, but I was just like, ooh, let me try it out. Just to let y'all know, I'm outside doing this voiceover. But one thing I do like about my outfit is I can flip every outfit that I wear. So the second look with the same outfit, I paired them up with these beautiful shoes because it's summertime. Who let the dogs out? Woof woof woof. Yes, we letting them dogs out, letting the feet breathe, all that. So I pair the same shirt, outfit, everything. I just added on the shirt. I added on the belt to it, looking like Mulan. Ooh, the black Mulan went natural, y'all. Yeah, anyway, so yeah, so this is how the outfit looks. I went ahead and paired it up with this, I'm not sure what you call this thing, I forgot. I got it from Zara. It's really good. I've been trying to figure out a way how to wear this thing, but the robe is amazing. It gave me that Chinese tea, you know, hey Mulan type of look. So my next outfit was the skirt and t-shirt. This is more like a fitted shirt with a skirt. If a skirt. And what I did with that is I went in and I took my plaid, you know, bag oversized shirt that I normally wear with jeans, switched them up, made it a comfy look, and I got my Vans on, but they look like sneakers. Got my Vans on, but they look like sneakers. This type of outfit, you got to be very like confident to wear it, because people will be asking you, what she got on? What she got on? Mind your business, okay? Mind your business. So this is basically how it looks like. It's more like of a, you know, let me just go out and do something, chill. Who knows what I'm going to do, but we going to do it anyway. So let's say if your friends call you up and you doing something, you're like, dang, you want me to hang out with you? But I'm doing something. You know what? 5 minutes, I got you. Look at me acting like I'm on the phone. Sis, you're not even talking to nobody. You trying to record this video. Anyway, you could grab a little, you know, some, open up them toes again and get you some Jessica Simpson. I got this at Marshall's. And, you know, flip the switch. You feel me? Flip the switch. Add the shoes up, and then bam, add the plaid shirt. Take off the shirt, sis, because it's gonna be hot. So yeah, so if you don't want the shirt to be too baggy on you, you can tie the shirt up, the long sleeve Flanagan shirt up, and, you know, go ahead. What I did was I did the button up thing on purpose. It was kind of like uneven on purpose. If you want, you can make it even so people won't think you was, you know, on something when you woke up. It's up to you. Do the Naomi Campbell. Walk it back, sis. Struck. Oh, yes. Go ahead. So next one, I love this outfit. Is more like of a me everyday type of look. The natural. The hair is growing, sis. So yeah, so what I did was I just, you know, got a baggy shirt, a long extra large shirt, and then the pants that I got on, I got it from New York and Company. I think I thrifted this shirt in the men's section. I can't remember, but with this, is more like a shopping type of shirt. Got my Adidas going. Yeah, Adidas going. Run DMC. Yeah. Got my Adidas going, and I'm on the go. Normally with my chains, I got my chain hang low, does it wobble to the floor. With the shirt, I normally fold the sleeve because it gives it that, you know, if I'm wearing something plain, I got to fold the sleeves. And the Adidas gives it that comfortable look. Like, on No Funny Stuff though, this is like my everyday look. Like, if I'm wearing something plain, I have to add some type of necklace to it. Look at you, get it together. Yes. So if I'm wearing something plain and I'm trying to like go somewhere and I'm like, okay, I don't want to change, but I want to keep what I have on, I just take off the sneakers and I fold the shirt sideways in a way, and then I just add those shoes. I got these shoes, I can't remember. I think it was Charlotte Russe. They're now shut down like a year ago. And yeah, if I want to just change the style, I just fold the bottom of the pants, or whatever you call those type of pants, and I'm on the go. A key to a simple look is detail. The shoes gave me details. So my next look is definitely me, an everyday look. If I'm not wearing baggy sweatpants or something, I don't know, I go for this. Another plain shirt. I kept the earrings, I kept the necklace just to bring the shirt out because it's plain. And I have the boyfriend jeans going on. I think I thrifted the jeans in the men's section and got my Air Force One, big boy. Talking about, I don't know the lyrics. Anyway, Air Forces, okay? I added them with the jeans, and that's how it looks. I feel like this look is mad dope in the fall, but we're not in the fall, so we're not gonna layer it up at all. Like winter and fall, this look is beautiful. So here am I, looking innocent as, you know, always. Hey sis, how you doing? And this look is pretty simple. Like, you know, if you are slimmer, this look would be better, but we got curves, we got thighs, so the baggy jeans are not really baggy jeans nowadays. It's plus people wear fitted jeans. Got the crip walk. I don't even know it's a crip walk. But second, if you're trying to flip the switch, you know, if you're like in the office, you know, if you are working in the office and it's like a casual day, you can wear your, you know, your boyfriend jeans and keep the shirt, but just change the shoes. You feel me? Change the shoes. So with the glasses, like I said, this video is sponsored because they sent me some glasses to work with. I am going to be adding these glasses up with the outfit, so this gives me like a casual office look. Dang, I look good. It gave me a casual office look. Folded sleeve, you still look presentable, you still look professional. You look good, so you gotta dance with it. You look good, so you gotta dance with it. I look good, yeah, I look good. Oh, I look good, wife me. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.